Hey everyone, Paul here. Man, I gotta say, since I had the gas tank repaired down at Globex Performance, my gas mileage is like 18 around town and about 22 on the highway. Compared to around town, I was getting 11, 12, and on the highway maybe 18. And I guess I contribute that to the gas evaporating. That's the only thing I can think of. That gas was leaking out, and whatever wasn't leaking out was just evaporating out of the tank. So kind of crazy, I'd say, but all fixed now. I just need to take it down sometime this month, get the front end done. I need ball joints and tie rods, all that kind of stuff. I think the pitman arm is worn out, so they're going to put a heavy-duty front end suspension, have it realigned, and get that done, and we should be in good shape. Got a whole bunch of stuff coming around the house. I got fence guys coming next week. They're going to put the new fence in and stuff like that. So, but that's it. Everything else seems to be going pretty well. Jeep is running like a top. But I do feel a little bit of looseness, a little bit of clunking in the front end once in a while. You know, so, hey, listen, I got 112,000 on it. So, I could use a little bit of work here and there. So, I'm gonna get that done sometime this week. Man, what a beautiful day today. A little chill in the air, but not too bad. So, yeah, so that's it. So I'm just taking a ride, go through the park a little bit, and see what's happening. And that's about it, I guess. Yeah, but I just wanted to say the Jeep is definitely running better and getting better gas mileage. So I'll be heading back down to Globex. I got to give him a call, see when he can take me in for the front end. That's going to be an all-day job. I don't mind. If the weather's nice, I'm down in Tom's River, or just hang out, or maybe Susie will come down with me, follow me down. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But that's it. And we'll catch you guys. Have a great day. Be safe. God bless America.